Incarcerated dancehall world boss continue to create waves and continue to kick down barriers from behind bars. His music continued to reach the ears and attention of high-profile media platforms. Just days after releasing his first single, Fever, from his King of Dancehall album, the accompanying video was released and set YouTube and social media and the dancehall space on fire. Here is a quick sample of the video. Let's check it out.
Dig, duck, dig, duck, dig, duck, dig, duck, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say? Fever.
Vybz Kartel continues to separate himself from everyone else in dancehall and has created a strong following with his creative and ingenious lyrics. He has shown no signs of slowing down anytime soon. Vybz Kartel album was featured in the May 2016 edition of Echo magazine, an internationally respected publication that focuses on the music of black entertainers. The magazine has had artists like Michael Jackson, Sam Henshaw, and Angie Stone featured on its covers. Michael Jackson, who died in 2009, was featured in its 40th anniversary edition in February of 2016. So it goes to show you that this is not some just come or run-of-the-mill magazine. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner for all your CDs and music video mixes. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.
Nobody good, nobody good, nobody good. Nobody good, nobody good, nobody good.
Can I be your babe? Can I be your baby? Can I be your babe? Can I be your baby?